All right, let's look at how to add create activity. Okay, very pretty simple. I will minimize it. This have we have actually added the WBS, and we have this. So I need to minimize this and open the activity spreadsheet. So I have an MS Word document here that actually contain my activity. So I'll quickly open it. And okay, so that's it. So I'll also minimize it. I'll need to move it to the left. Let me drop it at the right here. Okay, I will start here. Then I will bring out this. I'll bring out my. So now I will start from general. Look at general here. I will just copy this and paste. That's all. I will click on general and I will go to add. Activity I have added. So I will change this A to GEN. Okay, so I will come here and I will copy this award, contract award. I'll copy this contract award. I will paste it here. I will erase this. I will also go again. I will copy this. I will copy kickoff meeting. I will click on add here. So automatically this has been integrated. So you just keep on giving me the GEM, which is an abbreviation for general. Yeah, I will just paste the kickoff meeting here. Okay, so I will still go again and take site visit. And if I click on it, I will paste it here. So I'm done with general. So the next thing I need to do is to go to procurement. So under procurement, I have two items, which is procurement of valve and procurement of. I click on procurement, I click on add. So I paste this, which is procurement of school. Then I'll come here, I'll put PRO. Yeah. Okay, so I will come here, I will take the second one, which is procurement of valve. So I'm done with procurement. So I will look at the third one. I will look at the third one here, which is mobilization. I will still do the same thing. Mobilization. Under mobilization, I will change it to MOB. Okay, so I will take the second one. I'll take in the first one. So I'll take the second one. I'll click on plus. I will also take the third one, and I'm done with mobilization. This is mobilization of equipment. So I'm done with mobilization. So I'll look at the next one, which is site works. Under site works, I will just quickly scroll down. So under site works, I will start from fabrication. So I'll click on fabrication here, and I will click on add. So I will go here. I will take measure and cut. I will put it here. So under here, I will add fab.